Today I am reviewing the Logitech G920 driving force racing wheel and floor pedals. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're serious about racing games and want a more immersive, realistic experience, the Logitech G920 driving force racing wheel and floor pedals is one of the best entry to mid-level racing wheel setups you can get. Right from the start, the biggest upgrade this wheel brings is immersion. Instead of playing with a controller, you're now holding a full steering wheel with real force feedback. That means the wheel physically reacts to what's happening in the game. You feel the resistance when turning, the bumps in the road, and even subtle details like tire grip and loss of traction. This alone completely changes how you experience racing games, making everything feel far more realistic and engaging. The force feedback system in the G920 is one of its strongest features. It uses a dual motor setup that delivers consistent and detailed feedback through the wheel. Whether you're driving on a smooth track or off-road terrain, the wheel communicates every detail through your hands. This makes it easier to control your vehicle, especially when cornering or driving at high speeds. You're not just reacting anymore. You're anticipating how the car will behave. Another major highlight is the 900-degree rotation. This allows the wheel to turn 2.5 full rotations, just like a real car. This level of rotation gives you precise control when making tight turns or handling wide curves. It also makes the experience more authentic, especially in simulation-style games where realism matters. Combined with the force feedback, it creates a driving experience that feels very close to real life. The build quality of the G920 is also worth mentioning. The wheel features a hand-stitched leather cover, which not only looks premium, but also feels comfortable during long gaming sessions. The leather provides a solid grip, reducing hand fatigue and improving control over extended play. The stainless steel paddle shifters behind the wheel add to the premium feel and allow for quick gear changes without taking your hands off the wheel. The pedal set included with this system is another standout feature. It includes pressure-sensitive, non-linear brake pedals, which means the braking force depends on how hard you press the pedal, just like in a real car. This adds a layer of realism that makes braking more precise and intuitive. The pedal base is sturdy, so it stays in place during intense gameplay, and the adjustable pedal faces allow you to customize the setup for your comfort. The clutch, brake, and accelerator pedals work together to give you full control over acceleration and braking. This is especially important in simulation games where timing and precision can make a big difference in performance. Whether you're racing competitively or just enjoying a casual drive, the pedal system enhances the overall experience. Compatibility is another strong point. The G920 is designed for Xbox Series X, Xbox Series S, Xbox One, PC, and even Mac. It works seamlessly with many popular racing titles, making it a versatile option for different platforms. However, it's important to note that it does not support PlayStation consoles. So if you're a PlayStation user, this is something to keep in mind. One thing that makes the G920 stand out is how it elevates both casual and serious racing. For beginners, it offers an accessible way to get into sim racing without overwhelming complexity. For more experienced players, it provides the level of precision and realism needed for competitive gameplay. You can also expand your setup with additional accessories like a dedicated gear shifter or a racing rig, which makes this system highly customizable as you grow. Another nice aspect is the attention to durability and sustainability. The wheel includes a significant amount of recycled materials and is designed to be carbon neutral, which is a thoughtful addition for environmentally conscious users. It shows that Logitech has considered both performance and environmental impact in this design. In terms of everyday use, setup is straightforward. You connect the wheel and pedals to your console or PC, calibrate it in your game settings, and you're ready to go. Once set up, the experience is smooth and responsive, with minimal input lag and reliable performance across different games. Overall, the Logitech G920 driving force racing wheel is an excellent choice for anyone looking to take their racing games to the next level. It delivers strong force feedback, realistic controls, high build quality, and great compatibility, all at a price point that makes it accessible for most gamers. If you're ready to move beyond a controller and experience racing games the way they're meant to be played, This wheel is absolutely worth considering.